her heirloom could be.
Wings up.
Yeah, I got more on my Smurf. More heirlooms on my Smurf.
Need a blue light mag?
A pencil? Oh my god, people would actually buy the pencil. Do I need a blue light mag? No, not really.
Wings out.
Oh yeah, I have a re. I guess I can put it on.
Backpack here. Level 2.
Choose two if you need it. Oh, you don't.
I think I just gotta go on Wraith.
Extended light mag here.
It's
Level
all
2.
near there.
I have re-hammer points. Might just run it.
Do you need an R3?
No, I have flatline. Free.
Do you want the R3 or flatline?
Flatline.
The flame draws me this way.
A
Check that.
moon? A moon? What, she's just gonna be like going like this with the moon? Like making it like levitate or something? You're just gonna fucking bash your head in with a moon? Like, no. Definitely can't be a moon.
Back here. Level 2.
If anyone
there-
needs those, I can carry them for
Got
you.
ourselves a bandit
There
out
is
there.
people here.
Colin.
No, there's people.
Wings up.
Okay. Must have been on like, I think it landed just like far
Hi,
side.
Storm
not sure.
King. Good morning. Is my
I don't
voice
think
cutting
it
out
came out of
now?
harvest, yeah.
Wings out.
Or is my voice too loud? I feel like it's too loud. I need to move it like a little bit like over here.
Wings up. Need an
Yes, can you?
extended heavy mag. Shotgun bolt here. Level 1.
Chat.
No, because Discord it won't like move. It won't like matter, but chat will like it'll matter for chat. Cause I remember I told you I was like I lowered the gain. Vaz was telling me that my mic was getting out a little bit.
Flatline here.
Can you skin that?
Yeah. The flatline?
Yeah.
Flatline here. Wings up.
Oh, I need that.
What are you dropping?
Prowler.
Hi Marty, good morning. Oh, they're fighting.
I have a blue barrel stabilizer for you
These
too.
snow globe. You know what? Now speaking of snow globes, I love snow globes and I wish I could make my own. I've been wanting to make my own snow globe and it's not that hard to make. I have made ornaments before, like for Christmas, like custom ornaments, but snow globes, like never. I want to. I'm doing good, Storm King. How are you?
Wings out.
A lava lamp? I don't know how to make a lava lamp. Oh, we're talking about the lava lamp for Horizon's heirloom. No, I have no idea what Horizon's heirloom is gonna be.
Safe to touch down. We're already in the next ring. Ultimate accelerant here.
I genuinely can't think of something. No, there's no way that they're gonna make it a pen.
Barrel